Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on iCloud Photos so your full resolution library moves to iCloud. This is the action that frees local space. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud right arrow Photos and enable iCloud Photos. Once done, make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi and charging for the first upload. Large libraries can take hours or days. If you see a storage warning, you'll need to upgrade your iCloud plan. Keep reading to optimize storage. Now switch to optimize iPhone storage so the phone holds smaller, device-sized photos while originals stay in iCloud. This is the core technique to store many more pictures locally. Go to Settings right arrow Photos and choose Optimize. The system replaces large files with smart, compressed versions as space is needed. Make sure large uploads complete first, because optimization works only after originals are safely in iCloud. If you want specific albums kept locally, you can download those selectively. Finish by confirming uploads finished and that Optimize is active, then verify your iCloud plan covers the library size, upgrade if needed. Once done, your iPhone will free local space automatically while you still access full photos from the cloud. If something goes wrong, sign out and back into iCloud, toggle photos off/on, and ensure strong Wi-Fi. One troubleshooting tip: if uploads stall, check iCloud storage and pauses due to low battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.